Chapter 3. The Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains include the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges. They stretch across the northern boundary of India. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. The word Himalaya means the abode of ice. Most of the Himalayan peaks remain covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayan ranges in India stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. To the northwest of Himalayas, beyond the river Indus, lies the Karakoram range. Mount Godwin Austen K2 lies in this range. It is the highest peak lies in. It is the highest peak in India and the second highest peak in the world. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges: the Greater Himalaya, Himadri; the Middle Himalaya, Himachal; the Outer Himalaya, Shivalik. Do you know, before the Himalayas were formed, there existed a sea called the Tethys Sea in its place. The Greater Himalaya, Himadri. Himadri range is located in the extreme north. It is the biggest range of the Himalayas. Its average height is about 6,000 meters above the sea level. It is like a great wall along the northern border of India. Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, Nanga Parbat and Nanda Devi peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Kanchenjunga on the Nepal-Sikkim border is the highest peak of the Himalayas in India. Several glaciers originate from these mountains. Gangotri and Yamunotri are the two well-known glaciers. Rivers Ganga and Yamuna originate from these glaciers. The Middle Himalayas, Himachal. The Middle Himalayas lie towards the south of the Greater Himalayas. It is also known as the Himachal. Its average height is 3,500 meters above the sea level. Himachal is covered with thick forest of pine and deodar. Many beautiful valleys are found in these ranges like Nainital and Kangra. A valley is a low-lying area between two hills or mountains. Many beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora and Darjeeling are located in this range. People from the plains visit these hill stations to escape the summer heat. The Outer Himalaya, Shivalik. The Shivalik range is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. It is the lowest range. Its average height is 1,500 meters above the sea level. This range is covered with thick green forests which are home to many wild animals. In the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond the Shivalik range, lie the Karakoram mountain. States of the Northern Mountain Region: Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, and the northeastern states and union territories come under this region. A brief description of each state is as follows. Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir is called heaven on the earth. It is one of the most beautiful places in the world. Its weather is cold in winters and pleasant in summers. A lot of tourists visit here. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. The main languages of the state are Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri and Pahari. The Dal Lake and the Vular Lake are very famous. We can see shikaras and houseboats on these lakes. Some people sell flowers and vegetables from these shikaras. During summer they work in the fields. Terrace farming is popular here. They grow rice, maize, rajma, fruits, nuts and saffron. They also rear sheep and goats. The carpets and shawls of Kashmir are very famous. Kashmiri people wear long loose woolen gowns called phiran with salwar. Their main festivals are Eid and Shivratri. They drink kahwa, a special type of tea. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has high mountains and fertile valleys. Its capital is Shimla. This state is located at the foothills of western Himalayas. It is bordered by Haryana, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir. Like Jammu and Kashmir, the state has pleasant climate in summer, cold in winter, and moderate in rainfall. People of the state are engaged in agriculture, mainly cultivation of apples. The main languages spoken here are Hindi and Pahari. People celebrate the festival of Dashera with great zeal. Kullu is famous for its Dashera festival. Nati is a popular folk dance of the state. Kullu, Manali, Shimla, Bilaspur and Dharamshala are tourist attraction places of this state. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is newly formed state. Dehradun is the capital of this state. This state has pleasant summer, cold winters and average rainfall. People are mainly engaged in farming. They grow crops like rice, wheat, groundnuts, pulses, oilseeds and soya beans. Mussoorie, Dehradun. The main language of this state is Hindi, Pahari. People of this state celebrate festivals of Holi, Deepavali, Dashera and Gurupurab. Mussoorie, Dehradun, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Nainital are worth visiting places of this. Sikkim. Sikkim is situated between Nepal and Bhutan. The famous Kanchenjunga peak lies in Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. They are followers of Buddhism. Ramtek Monastery is a landmark of Sikkim. The main language of this state is Nepali and Sikkimese. This state has temperate climate. People are engaged in terrace farming of rice. Terrace farming. Other crops are maize, millet, wheat, barley, oranges, tea and cardamom. Sikkimese women wear long skirts called paku and colorful jewelry. The main dance of Sikkim, Tashi Sabdo, is very famous. Noodles-based dishes such as thukpa, chow mein, momos are specialities of Sikkim.
Northeastern states. The northeastern part of India has 7 states. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura and Mizoram. These states are known as 7 sisters. Arunachal Pradesh is a big state in the northeast, having small population. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Many tribes live here and speak their own dialects. People are hardworking and simple. They grow rice, maize, millets and tobacco, etc. They live in houses on stilts. Assam lies in the northeast of India. Its capital is Dispur. Assamese is the main language. Women wear long skirts like Mekhela. Bihu is the folk dance of this state. Kaziranga National Park is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. Assam is also famous for tea and huge deposits of petroleum. Manipur is situated to the south of Nagaland. Its capital is Imphal. Farming and handloom are their main occupations. They also make beautiful articles with bamboo and cane. They speak Manipuri language. Lai Harauba dance is very famous classical dance. Meghalaya is located in Garo, Jantai and Kashi Hills. Shillong is the capital city and famous hill station. Farming is the main occupation. Masanram in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. Bedinkalam is a famous festival of this state. Mizoram is the land of hills and valleys. Izawal is the capital city. They speak Mizo language and are called Mizo. They are well educated and influenced by the Buddhists. Nagaland is a small state full of fields and valleys. The people of the state are called Nagas. They are fond of music and dance. They wear colorful dresses, bright colored shawls. They are mainly famous for hunters. Most of Nagas are Christians and speak English. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Tripura is surrounded on 3 sides of Bangladesh. Agartala is its capital. People speak Bengali and Kokborok language. They mainly grow rice, jute, cotton and bamboo, etc. They make beautiful toys and handicrafts with bamboo. They build their huts with bamboo. Importance of Himalayas.
The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. They help us in many
High mountain ranges and peaks. High mountain ranges and peaks act as a barrier against enemies and play an important role in the defense of our country. The Himalayas protect our country from the cold winds blowing from Siberia in the north through Central Asia. The Himalayas check rain-bearing winds which cause heavy rainfall. The eastern part of the mountains prevent rain-bearing monsoon dots from escaping northwards beyond India. This causes rainfall in the northern India. There are dense forests upon an attribute of 1500 meters. A rich variety of trees, bushes and wild animals are found in these forests. The Himalayas are the sources of major rivers like Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers make our land fertile. Summing up, the northern mountain includes the Himalaya and the Karakoram mountain ranges. The Himalayas have 3 ranges: the Great Himalayas, Himadri, the Middle Himalayas, Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas, Shivalik. Himalaya protects our borders. The highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, is in the Greater Himalayas. Himadri is the highest range of the Himalayas. Terrace farming is done on the slopes of the Shivalik range. Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal and the northeastern states and union territories come under Himalayas range.
chapter.